The use of the Arkki system is via web browser. The most popular browsers, such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, and Microsoft Edge, are supported. In the address bar, by entering the URL configured by the system managers, you have access to the authentication page. If you've been configured as a local user, enter your username and password. If the system is integrated with a company domain, you must enter the domain name in the username field as a prefix followed by the /. Once the password is entered, click Sign in to access the system.